Hey guys, I am so excited. I just received my Renpho AI cycling bike and Max has volunteered to help me put it together downstairs, so let's go. Here it is. All right, get to work. Ooh, she is done. We love it. This actually took me and Max like 15 minutes to put together. It was so easy, I can't even believe it. Next I have to download an app called AI Gym so that I can connect to this bike and start working out. The honest to God best thing about the Renpho is that it comes with a free membership and free like workout exercises, which is unheard of with these at-home bikes. I feel like everyone makes you pay so much money for the bike and then even more money to like get programs and workouts and stuff, which is gonna add up over time.